Hello, my dear student. Welcome to the subject name is Business Environment. Today we are going to discuss Unit 4, and in this Unit 4, we are going to discuss about the political, social, cultural environment introduction part. So today topic is social, political and social cultural environment, which is related to the Unit 4. So start with the introduction part. Business do not operate in vacuum, but rather in dynamic environment that has a great influence on how they operate, whether they will be achieve their objective. This external environment or macro environment is composed of various outside organization and forces that we can group into the seven sub-element. As you know that in a previous lecture in unit 1, we have already discussed about the political and legal environment, where we have discussed, as you know, that business has two environment, micro and macro environment. Micro is related to the immediate environment of the business, that is a micro, and the indirect uh, environment that is related to the business, that is a macro. In macro, there are n number of environment or the factor, that is political, legal, social, cultural, technological factors involved. But here the word political and legal environment it comes. So this unit is basically it's all about the political, legal, and social and cultural environment of business. So start with the political environment meaning. Political environment is basically means it considers all the factor which is related to the government affair, such as the type of government in power and attitude of the government towards the different group of society, policy changes, it extra. It has an immediate and great impact on a business transaction. So the businessman can must scan their environment very carefully so as to make a change accordingly. So in political environment, the businessman has to make sure that they carefully examine the political environment so they make changes according to the political environment. As you know that political environment एक वो environment होता है जो कि business को influence करता है directly or indirectly. There are the different aspects of the political environment like political system, constitution of country, um, these factors, government intervention in the business, profile of the political leader, policy, foreign policy of government, ideology of political parties, these factors is basically comes from the political environment. And whenever we are talking about the legal environment, it constitutes the law and regulation which passed by the parliament and which can never be overlooked by the businessman. The businessman has also considered the legal environment as well as the political environment before making any kind of decision related to their business. And as you know that in order to perform any kind of a business transaction, the business has to perform within the framework of the legal environment. So legal environment बिजनेस के बाहर जरूर होता है पर लीगली बिजनेस को हर तरह के रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन को फॉलो करना पड़ता है. लीगल एनवायरनमेंट में लीगली कुछ चीजें आती हैं, लेजिस्लेशन आते हैं जो बिजनेस से रिलेटेड होते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई बिजनेस हैज टू मेक श्योर दैट they follow the rules and regulation and the legal environment of that particular country where they exist. तो उस कंट्री का लीगल एनवायरनमेंट फॉलो करना. लीगल एनवायरनमेंट में बेसिकली कंपनी से रिलेटेड जो एक्ट होते हैं, फॉरेन एक्सचेंज मैनेजमेंट एक्ट है, the factory act है, industry dispute act है, payment of gratuity, they are the few example of act or the law which business has to follow under the legal environment. तो इसीलिए legal environment is play an important role uh, in in the business decision making. Now moving toward the impact of political and legal environment on business. Political and legal environment means all the business organization are affected by the political factors shaping the country. So in order to shape the country, the business organization affected by the political factor, and these factors determine the law and regulation in which the business have to operate. Therefore the manager analyze the major political and legal forces that influence their market, business organization, and the industry. There are some example of the political environment. The first one is the patent legislation. Patent legislation is mean intellectual property or patent and copyright laws that have significant influence in high tech industries and pharmaceutical. So whenever we're talking about the copyright patent legislation, the business must ensure that they have fully follow the rules of copyright patent, and the government establish the rules what may or may not be patented. So जो कंपनीज है वो पेटेंट लेजिस्लेशन के थ्रू गेट टू नो कि उनका जो प्रोडक्ट है वो पेटेंट हो सकता है, कॉपीराइट हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता. तो देयर आर नंबर ऑफ लॉज आर दैट relate are often matter of high profile रिलेटेड. सो बिजनेस को पेटेंट लेजिस्लेशन के बारे में इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है. लेजिस्लेशन से पता चलता है कि पेटेंट लेजिस्लेशन से पता चलता है कि उसे कौन से पेटेंट के अंदर वो आता है. Now the taxation. The government imposed general tax as well as the selective tax on the company's specified product to manage demand and raise revenue. So that's why we can say that, for example, state government in India has have higher tax on the tobacco and liquor. तो taxation policy के बारे से भी if a business as you know that government जो होती है वो जो पॉलिटिकल इन्वायरमेंट होता है, लीगल इन्वायरमेंट होता है, उसके थ्रू टैक्सेशन आता है और गवर्नमेंट इसको इम्पोज करती है बिजनेस पे. तो बिजनेस शुड मस्ट बी अवेयर अबाउट दिस काइंड ऑफ टैक्सेशन. सेफ्टी रेगुलेशन. द गवर्नमेंट expect that product to be related to the safety of the consumer. The safety regulation must be there when the business make any kind of product. So that must be ensured by the business. So another point is labor law. The government set and changed labor law after the rectification from the parliament. So different countries have a different law. Like in India, there is quite restriction in the labor law, and whereas in US there is relaxed labor law. So depend upon the country, the legal and political environment also change. So depend upon the business where they exist, or in what country they in where they are existing. So depend upon their labor law of that particular country, the business has to follow the that particular country rules. Now consumer protection is related to protect the consumer. तो business में also consumer protection law को consider किया है. Now moving to the next point, that is the bankruptcy law. Bankruptcy law is basically in 2016 the government has made insolvency and bankruptcy code for all to create a single law for the insolvency and bankruptcy of business. So business there has been a significant rise of the cases in IBC code since then. तो ये लॉज से क्या हुआ, बिजनेस में बहुत सारे आपको पता चलता है कि बैंक्रप्सी से कि कितनी बिजनेस है जो इंसॉल्वेंसी एंड बैंक्रप्सी में आ गई. तो ये सिंगल कोड सिस्टम के थ्रू, ये रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन और लीगल एनवायरनमेंट के थ्रू बिजनेस में पता चला कि बैंक्रप्सी की कंडीशन क्या है. तो दीज आर द बेसिकली things, the element which comes under the political and legal environment, and that has impact on the business. A change in the central and local government, also substantial changes in the law policy. As you know that अगर गवर्नमेंट ऐसी है जिसमें कि कोलाइशन जो है मिलकर बनी हुई है और वो सीपीआई के साथ बनी है, तो सीपीआई मीन्स कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया के थ्रू बनी है, तो यहाँ पर हो सकता है कि नंबर ऑफ लॉज एंड रेगुलेशन ऑन बिजनेस आए, इंक्रीज हो जाए. और ऑन द अदर हैंड अगर कोई ऐसी गवर्नमेंट आई है जो बीजेपी के साथ मिलकर बनी है, तो यहाँ पर बिजनेस से रिलेटेड जितने भी रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन वो कम हो जाए. तो डिपेंड अपॉन द पार्टी रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन क्रिएट होते हैं. तो नाउ मूविंग टूवर्ड्स, एंड बिजनेस को भी इस चीज को कंसिडर करना पड़ता है, देखना पड़ता है कि कौन सी पार्टी और कौन से रूल लेके आइए, कौन से लीगल रूल्स लेके आइए. नाउ मूविंग टूवर्ड द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, दैट इज सोशल एंड कल्चरल एनवायरनमेंट. Social and cultural environment refer to the surrounding in which the organization operate, and social cultural environment are the social attitude, belief, education. So whenever we're talking about the society, belief, education, social attitude, it means we are talking about the social cultural environment, and the business has to consider this environment before making any kind of a decision related to their business. तो business को हमेशा social cultural environment के according ही adapt करना पड़ता है, otherwise उसका product सेल आउट नहीं हो पाएगा. और in order to survive in a long run, the business has to keep these factors in mind, like social, cultural, political, and legal environment. So there are the basically two type of social, cultural environment, internal or external. When we're talking about the internal environment, internal social culture and environment of a business, that is an internal social culture and environment. And here we're talking about the business custom, business belief, practice, and behavior within the confine of the organization. But when we're talking about the society, social cultural values, social cultural needs, belief, it means that we are talking about the external social cultural environment. And business always concern about the always make sure that concern about the external social culture and environment, because external social culture and environment has great impact on the business. And this business must be should be aware of the social preferences, society ki preferences, need and want of the society in which they are operating, because all these factor or these social preferences, need and want of the society are uh, influence business a lot. So business has to keep in mind this social cultural mm, environment while making any kind of a decision or making any kind of uh, product. Now talking about the example like McDonald, when the McDonald entered into the Indian market, they didn't people didn't accept wholeheartedly, because most of the product, maximum product of the McDonald is basically non-vegetarian. So McDonald the keep in mind the religion sentiment of the India and connected with the cow. McDonald uh, introduced first vegetarian range in India. So मैकडोनल्ड ने नॉन वेजिटेरियन से वेजिटेरियन मैकडोनल्ड प्रोडक्ट बनाए. एंड दिस प्रोडक्ट बेसिकली बाय कंसिडरिंग द सोशल कल्चर एंड इन्वायरमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, इसीलिए सुब मैकडोनल्ड जो है वो सोशल कल्चर एनवायरमेंट को अडॉप्ट कर पाया और वो फेल नहीं हो पाया. नहीं तो अदरवाइज मैकडोनल्ड फेल हो जाता, बिकॉज उसने कल्चरल एनवायरमेंट को ध्यान में रखा. तो देयर आर अदर example I've mentioned over, you can do this. Now moving toward the critical element. When we're talking about the critical element of the social cultural environment, means we are talking about all those factors which are affecting the social cultural environment. And basically these are the factors which influence or which can influence or affecting the social cultural environment are social institution and system. When we're talking about the social institution and system, it means that this system has a great impact on the social cultural environment. The social institution means caste system, joint family system, child marriage, and religion extra, etc. affect the social environment and business. Religion, belief, and superstition of the people are affected by their environment. In India, for example, religion sentiment of the people have given birth to a new business and a source of income to people. Now we're talking about the social values. Social values means when we view towards the authority, responsibility, delegation, attitude of the people towards the different profession, role of ownership, management, and every business need to adapt itself with the changes that are occurring in the social value or the custom of the economy. सो यहाँ पर ये सब चीजों को ध्यान देना बहुत जरूरी है, तभी जाके सोशल एनवायरनमेंट ये सब फैक्टर एलिमेंट ऐसे हैं जो कि सोशल कल्चरल एनवायरनमेंट को इम्पैक्ट करते हैं. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द एजुकेशन एंड कल्चर, व्हेन द लेवल ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड कंट्री इंक्रीज, इट इम्पैक्ट ऑन द बिजनेस आल्सो इंक्रीज. सो स्प्रेड ऑफ द एजुकेशन एंड देयर इम्पैक्ट ऑन बिजनेस ethics, business morality, and the organization culture also one of the major element of the social culture and environment of business. Now, social group. Social group, when we're talking about the social group, it means that India has a unique social economic order when there are a lot of difference exists in फूड, ड्रेस एंड लैंग्वेज में, रिलीजन्स में बहुत सारे डिफरेंसेस है. इस डिफरेंसेस की वजह से बहुत सारे ग्रुप क्रिएट हो जाते हैं. एंड दिस ग्रुप हैज ग्रेट इम्पैक्ट ऑन द सोशल कल्चर इम्पैक्ट environment, and this social cultural environment has great impact on business. So and talking about the demography, when we talk about the demography, it means it has significant impact on the business, because demographic means it belongs to, if the max population belongs to younger age, population means age, profile, income, इफ डेमोग्राफिक ग्रुप में मैक्सिमम पीपल यंग एज के हैं, तो उनका जो डिमांड होगा म्यूजिक, फैशन और एजुकेशन का होगा, और यहाँ पर बिजनेस को फोकस करना है कि सोशल कल्चरल एनवायरनमेंट, डेमोग्राफिक एनवायरनमेंट, ये सब मिलकर सोशल कल्चरल एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करते हैं, जो सोशल कल्चरल एनवायरनमेंट को अफेक्ट करते हैं. नाउ द लास्ट पॉइंट इज एडवर्टाइजिंग टेक्निक. Advertising technique, agency and market are required to judge the pulse of the people, and change in the fashion need and wants of the customer need to track regularly because it change in all those factors. Now, apart from the above mentioned factor, there are some other factor also involved that impact the social culture environment, like quality of life, importance of women to workforce, birth and death rate, attitude of the consumer towards the new product, education, literacy related, and size of population also have a great impact on the social culture and environment of the country. So social environment of the country is related to the society, but society ultimately comprises of consumer, investor, employees, and the local community. So this is all for today lecture. Thank you, my dear student.